Welcome to Herbology Haven, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Tulsi, also known as Holy Basil, is a revered herb in many cultures, especially in India where it is considered sacred. With a plethora of health benefits and a rich history, Tulsi has earned its place in traditional and modern medicine. This video explores the various aspects of Tulsi, from its historical significance to its modern-day applications. History of Tulsi. Tulsi has been an integral part of Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, for thousands of years. It is revered for its healing properties and has been used to treat a variety of ailments ranging from common colds to more serious conditions like malaria. In Hindu culture, Tulsi is more than just a plant, it is considered a goddess. The presence of a Tulsi plant in a household is believed to bring good luck and ward off evil. This cultural reverence has been passed down through generations, making Tulsi an essential part of daily rituals and practices. Botanical Description. Tulsi belongs to the Lamiaceae family and its scientific name is Ocimum tenuiflorum. It is closely related to the culinary basil but differs in taste and medicinal properties. Tulsi is a perennial plant with green or purple leaves, depending on the variety. It has a strong, pungent aroma and produces smell, white or purple flowers. There are basically three types of Tulsi. First is Krishna Tulsi, known for its dark purple leaves. Krishna Tulsi is often used for its potent medicinal properties. Second is Rama Tulsi. This type has green leaves and is the most commonly found variety. It is widely used in religious ceremonies and for its health benefits. Last is Vana Tulsi, also known as wild Tulsi. This variety grows in the Himalayas and has a strong, aromatic scent. Tulsi has nutritional profile. Tulsi is rich in vitamins A and C, calcium, zinc, and iron. These nutrients contribute to its immune-boosting and overall health-promoting properties. Tulsi is packed with antioxidants, which help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. This makes it an excellent herb for promoting longevity and overall health. Medicinal properties of Tulsi. Tulsi is known for its adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress and promotes mental balance. The anti-inflammatory compounds in Tulsi can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for conditions like arthritis and asthma. Tulsi has natural antimicrobial properties, making it effective against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes it useful in treating infections and boosting overall immunity. Health benefits of Tulsi. Regular consumption of Tulsi can enhance the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections and diseases. Tulsi acts as a natural adaptogen, helping to reduce stress and anxiety levels. Its calming effects make it a popular choice for promoting mental well-being. Tulsi is known to support respiratory health by helping to clear congestion and soothe irritated airways. It is often used in remedies for colds, coughs, and bronchitis. Tulsi in traditional medicine. In Ayurveda, Tulsi is used in various formulations to treat conditions like fever, digestive issues, and respiratory problems. It is often combined with other herbs to enhance its effectiveness. While not as prominent in Chinese medicine, Tulsi is sometimes used in formulations to promote balance and overall health. Modern uses of Tulsi. Tulsi supplements and extracts are available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and tinctures. These products make it easy to incorporate Tulsi into daily health routines. Tulsi essential oil is used in aromatherapy and skincare for its calming and healing properties. It can be applied topically or diffused to promote relaxation. Tulsi in culinary applications. Tulsi is used in a variety of culinary dishes, from teas to soups and salads. Its unique flavor adds a refreshing touch to any recipe. Tulsi tea is a popular way to consume this herb. It is known for its calming effects and numerous health benefits, making it a great addition to a daily routine. Growing Tulsi at home. Tulsi grows best in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. It can be grown in pots or directly in the ground. Regular watering and occasional pruning are essential for healthy Tulsi plants. They can thrive indoors and outdoors with proper care. Sustainability and environmental impact. Tulsi is often used in organic farming practices due to its natural pest repellent properties. It helps promote a healthy and sustainable growing environment. Growing Tulsi can have positive environmental impacts, such as improving air quality and supporting biodiversity. Cultural and religious significance. Tulsi is an essential part of Hindu rituals and is often grown in homes and temples. It is used in prayers and offerings to seek blessings and protection. While most prominent in Hindu culture, Tulsi also holds significance in other traditions and is appreciated for its spiritual and healing properties. Potential side effects and precautions. Tulsi may interact with certain medications, so it is important to consult a healthcare provider before adding it to your regimen. While generally safe for most people, it is best to start with small amounts and observe any reactions. Pregnant women and those with specific health conditions should seek medical advice. Let's answer some common questions. What are the benefits of drinking Tulsi tea? Tulsi tea can boost immunity, reduce stress, and support respiratory health. It is also rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Can Tulsi help with anxiety? Yes, Tulsi is known for its adaptogenic properties, which help the body manage stress and reduce anxiety levels. How do you grow Tulsi indoors? Tulsi can be grown indoors in pots with well-drained soil and adequate sunlight. Regular watering and pruning are essential for its growth. Is Tulsi safe for everyone? While generally safe, it is advisable to consult a healthcare provider before using Tulsi, especially for pregnant women and individuals on certain medications. What is the best way to consume Tulsi? Tulsi can be consumed as tea, in supplements, or as part of various culinary dishes. It can also be used in its fresh or dried form for different applications. Tulsi is more than just a plant, it's a treasure trove of health benefits, cultural richness, and spiritual depth. Incorporating Tulsi into your life can bring a wealth of wellness to your everyday routine. So, why not make this remarkable herb a part of your wellness journey? Thanks for joining us at Herbologyhaven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of herbal wellness. See you in the next video.